ana-aṅụ Igbo na-ede. Ndị be anyị ndeewono. You're welcome to Amara Bekee, where wisdom speaks with grace and relevance. You're welcome to the voice of Igbo wisdom, where we bring ancient adages back to life, one adage at a time, in a way that everyone can understand and apply to life. In our today's episode of Wisdom Dosage, our adage is ana-aṅụ Igbo na-ede, and this simply means that while suckling the boobs, that the pussy soaks. This adage simply talks about cause and effect, or two things that naturally happens together. It highlights that when pleasurable or stimulating action is taking place, another reaction automatically follows. It is often used to explain that certain actions naturally triggers responses, especially emotional or physical ones. Just as the body reacts automatically during intimacy, life has situations when one event naturally leads to another, whether you intend it or not. Commonly used to show that benefits and consequences come as a package. It is used to warn someone that when they start something, they should be ready for the outcome. It emphasizes that you cannot separate certain things. If you choose one, the other follows. Na nchịkọta okwu a ana-aṅụ Igbo na-ede simply means when you engage in a stimulating action, expect the reaction that naturally follows. Daalụ maka ile ihe onyonyo a. Biko, ọ bụ na ị nwere nkọwa ọzọ n'ilu a nkọwara, maọbụ ị nwere ilu ọzọ ị ga-achọ ka m tọọ ma kọwaa, dere m ya n'akara ide ozi, tinyekwere m aka n'akara ịhụnanya, gbasaa ozi a ma sorokwa m. Ndeewo.